Hello, my dear students of class Inter. Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all of you. My dear student, in previous lecture we also knew about the lesson Pakistan and modern world, about the speech of the Liaquat Ali Khan. And now in today's lecture we will also know about the usage of make or even phrases verb. So my dear students, here make, how make use? Make means to construct, manufacture, okay, compose. So I have made you some tea, okay, I have made you some tea. The headmaster had made a rule. Made a rule means I manufacture, construct a rule. Compel करना, so compel it means force करना, किसी को force करना. He made me to do this. Okay, the teacher made me to write the homework. The teacher made me to note down the important points. So because this is compel, whenever somebody tell you to do this, then definitely you can use their make. Okay, in a sense of appointing, the friend made him a manager. Made him a manager, it means appoint a manager. Their son has made a prefect. Their son has been made a prefect. माना उसके बेटे को prefect बनाया गया है. Amount from 2 and 2 make 4. Okay, 2 and 2 make 4. So here students make a common mistake. 2 and 2. Whenever different things are, two things are connected to conjunction, and there definitely the verb will be a plural form. Okay, my dear students. So here make for. Make for, it means a deliberately move toward. The ship was making for. Going. Make for mana going. The ship was making for Chittagong. Okay, when it was caught in the storm. Tend to develop a support. Okay, my dear students. So here, this is the main point to discuss here. Make off, it means go away. Hastily or fruitily means make off. When he heard the go away means hastily, means hurriedly. Okay, jaldi se matlab jana. When he heard the dog, the thief made off. Make off means run away. You can also did or flee. You can also did. When he heard the dog, the thief made off means flee. So my dear students, another is make out. Make out means to make, means to write down the series of item. She is making out a list of books. Books that are missing. List, it means a series. While the shopkeeper was making out the bill, means list of bill. Okay? Recognize the form, another meaning is recognize the form or pattern of something. The band was playing so atrociously that I could scarcely make out the tune that was being played. Make out means to understand. Did you make out what he was trying to tell you? Did you understand? I cannot make him out. It means making out means to understand. Make up means to invent or compose. I made up my mind and for study. Okay. So here his story was not true. He had made it up. Invent करना means बनाना, खुद की बनाना. Invent. Made it up. So to make it means to be friendly again and no. Okay, this is the main meaning of this makeup. Makeup for. Compensate for. मतलब फॉर सपोज अगर कोई भी गलती हुई है, कोई भी मतलब ऐसी चीज़ हुई है, तो उसके लिए आप हर जाना भरोगे, मतलब उसके लिए आप कुछ चीज़ के लिए आप को कुछ देना पड़ेगा. सो हियर कंपेंसेट He was away from school for 3 weeks and now he is working hard to make up for lost time. Make up for. जाहिर सी बात है वो स्कूल से गैरहाज़िर था, अब उसको स्टडी के लिए वो दिन उसको कंप्लीट करने पड़ेंगे या उसको मतलब इतना टाइम देना पड़ेगा तो वो खुद को उसमें सेटअप कर ले. वी आर टेकिंग दिस चिल्ड्रेन टू द जू दिस आफ्टरनून टू मेक अप फॉर देयर डिसअपॉइंटमेंट. इट मीन्स उनके चिल्ड्रेन जो परेशान थे उन्होंने ये सोचा कि इनको ले जाया जाए जू की तरफ तो वो राज़ी हो जाएंगे या वो उनको हम मतलब ये कहेंगे कि इसके बदले हम आपको वहाँ लेके जा रहे हैं. मेक फ्रेंड्स मीन्स दोस्त बनाना. बिकम फ्रेंड विद. Soon after Ahmad went to live at the hostel, he made friends with a young man from his own town. So my dear students, here to make friends with means किससे दोस्ती करना. Make sure. Make sure means to certain. Please make sure certain that you have put down the correct date. I made sure certain that everybody had gone out the bus I have condemned. So my dear students, these phrasal verbs I have used in this sentence. So now you have to understand the meaning and translate it according to Sindhi into Sindhi or Urdu. Okay, this is homework for you, my dear students. So in the next, we will also commence or we will also learn from the Act 3 of the Silver Box, another lesson from John Galsworthy. Thank you, my dear students.